Hello guys, today let's check out another beautiful book. This is Usborne Look Inside Science. This is one of the book in the series called The Look Inside, released by Usborne, which are flapbook series, and this is for age group 5 to 7 years of age. There are similar type of flapbook series like Peep Inside and See Inside. Peep Inside has much smaller in size, around one hand size for age group 3 to 5 years of age, and the larger one is mainly for 7 and above, that is See Inside. But the Look Inside series is the most famous one because the information, the flaps, the pictures all perfect for any flap loving children. And all these books are beautiful flap books which are of board books. So they're quite durable and perfect for children to carry around. And this book has over 110 flaps to lift in it. The front is beautifully designed with various pictures involving science. You can see scientists, skeleton, computer, lab and all. Beautifully designed book this is. On the back they have given small introduction about the book here. There's a picture of table containing things in a laboratory as such. This book costs around 9.99 pounds and 18.95 Canadian dollars. In India you can get this book for around 6.99 or less. I got this book for around 4.50 on Amazon. So let's check inside. So here's the first page. They have given contents. So the different pages explain different things. So first, what is science, materials, plants and trees, your body, light, sound, forces, and lastly about earth and space they have explained in this book here. Beautiful pictures and all. Here what is science and a lot of flaps to lift. Yeah, basic information about science they have given in the first page. Next, they have introduced various materials like plastic, glass, leather and all. Flap inside flaps for children to enjoy. Your magnetic force and an activity here, how to make a bubbling potion. So an experiment a child can do in the house and all. Beautiful activity given here. And the next is about plants and trees. Flaps inside flaps, beautifully designed here. And here's a picture of tree. More flaps. Lots of information. Beautifully designed book for science students and all. Even for general knowledge, this is a wonderful book. And here an activity how to grow a bean plant I have given. And next they have given about your body, different parts of the body, various things, skeleton, the sense organs. Beautifully explained here. The next is about light. So what all light does and some of the properties of light has been explained in this book here, this page particularly. And next they have given some information about the sound here, how sound is produced and its properties. Next they give about forces of nature here, like how different forces act, the wind force and all, helping a kite. Here tug of war, gravity and friction and all, even air resistance, sky driving and all, beautifully given. And here one activity, how we can reduce friction, they have given. So this is like similar to how pyramids are constructed. They have good activity they have introduced here. And lastly they have introduced about earth and space. Lots of information for children to enjoy here. Crust, mantle, core and all, beautifully explained and designed, and flaps to lift and enjoy here. And here's the rocket and shuttle here. And the planets and solar system has been beautifully introduced as a small book here. You can open it up here. Beautifully explained stars and solar system here. And the rest is about sun, supernova, asteroids and all. They have explained space station. So this is a wonderful book to introduce science to a child, and there are a lot of activity in this for enjoying it. So this is Usborne Look Inside Science. Please subscribe to my channel for more such amazing books. See you next time.